Kagising ko lang sa Brookhaven. Another ulit guys na gagawin natin ngayon. So, welcome back to my channel guys. So, maglalaro po tayo ng Brookhaven and guys. So, Merry Christmas. Kaya nagsuot tayo ng Christmas na suot. Yan. Meron ditong Santa hat tsaka isang leggings na merong deer. So, ngayon guys, I forgot what I'm doing. Kailangan pala ng milk. So ngayon guys, bibili tayo ng milk. Okay? Wait lang guys. Can I take I'm gonna go to bathroom. Okay guys, I'm done. Okay, I'm done pee. So ngayon guys, bibili tayo ng milk. Wala kasi tayong milk guys. So, wala ko lang buksan yan. Okay, bye-bye. Close. Oh my goodness, yan. So, we are officially in the outside. So, ngayon bibili tayo ng gatas. Let's go. Or ng milk. Okay, so, feeling ko naman, no? So, dito guys, dito tayo magpa-park, guys. Feeling ko naman, hindi mo sila magagalit dito kapag pinark ko yung kotse ko dyan. So, na nga, and bibili tayo ng ating milk. And I'm so very, very hungry. And kuha tayo na pizza dito guys, okay? Pizza, tsaka na milk. Okay, so always close the door. I mean, yung page. Bruh. So anyways, let's go. And ito na siguro bibiling ko, tsaka tubig. Yan. So I'm gonna go to the counter and I'm gonna punch this. Okay, I'm done purchase this. Okay, so let's go to the house. Oh my god. And yeah, it's almost 9 a.m. I mean, 9 a.m. na guys. So, let's go to the house. Wait, kailangan ko ng speed. Oh my goodness. So, meron tayo dito milk, tsaka isang pizza, tsaka isang tubig. Kasi wala tayong tubig, tsaka pizza. And we're gonna go to the house. Okay, we are in the house. Let's get park here. There you go. Kailangan mo lang naman na dahan-dahan dyan. There you go. And pwede na yan, park na guys, pwede na yan. Rate 1 to 10, guys, rate 1 to 10 guys, okay? Yung park ko, yan. That's my park. Oh my goodness, so meron tayo ditong milk. And yeah. Wait lang guys, kailangan ko wait. And anyway, so where's my fridge? Ito pala guys, naban. Yan, ito na guys, so meron tayo ditong pizza guys. And milk. Yan. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful today guys in Brookhaven. It's so very very peaceful and no one is bothering me. Oh my god. And by the way guys, I'm gonna go to CR. I'm gonna go to wash my body. And I'm gonna come back to you guys. Bye bye. Sobrang I'm very very happy. Maliligo tayo guys dito sa CR ko guys dito. Oh my god, close the curtain. Yan. Privacy is needed. I'm done. Okay, bye-bye. Okay. And guys, wait. There you go. Oh no! Someone calling me guys. Sino kaya to guys? Oh no. Huh? May nag-chat sa akin guys na meron daw secret area daw sa bahay ko guys. Anong secret area kaya yung guys, no? Anong secret area kaya yung guys, no? May nag-chat sa akin dito sa aking phone guys na meron daw tayo ditong secret area daw. Oh my god. Ayoko naman makarinig mga ganyan guys. Sobrang scary guys. Kaya ayoko talagang makarinig ng mga ganong kwento guys. Oh my goodness. Sa mismo daw bahay ko guys. What? Sa mismo kong bahay guys dito. San? Ha? San? Ha? Wala naman eh. Kaya talaga eh. Wait lang guys. Nag-chat ulit kay sa akin guys dito. Sabi doon niya, meron daw sa aking backyard. Saan backyard guys? Wala naman dito backyard. Ito ang aking backyard guys. Ito lang. Okay? Save the energy. And feeling ko guys dito sa likod ko ng bahay. Feeling ko lalabas pa tayo sa bahay guys dito. Feeling ko is dito. Oh no. This is scary. Let's go. So dito daw guys. Straight lang daw guys. Straight daw dito. Straight. Oh my god. Ano yun? Ba't may sign doon guys? Ano yun? What? Ano yun guys? Wait. Wait. Wait lang guys. Kailangan ko ng gun. Wait. Kailangan ko ng gun. Kailangan ko ng gun. To. Wait. I'm gonna grab it. Yan. Oh my god. I need the gun. Yan. Ito guys. We have a gun. Oh no. This is scary guys. Oh my god. I don't know what's gonna happen next one. Ano next scene. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm very scary. I'm very scary guys. Hindi ko alam. Sabi daw guys dito, danger, keep it out. Bahay ko to eh. Hindi naman dito naglalagay ng ganyan guys dito eh. This is my house, it's not yours. Oh my god guys, I'm scared. I need to call my friend. Hello. Hey. Ha? Busy ka daw? Bakit? So hindi ka dito makapunta. Oh no guys. Yung aking best friend guys, di siya dito makapunta guys. Ako lang talaga. Oh no, I'm very scary guys. I'm very scared guys. Yung pala. I'm very so scared guys. Should I do it guys? Should I risk it? Yes. Oh no. What is that? What is this? Oh my god.
Oh no!
Ano to? What is this? Ano yun? Oh my god. Sino ka? Oh no. Guys, I think ito yung kwento na mayroon dito nakatira na may nauna pa sa akin guys. Oh no. Sino to? Mr. Cyver. Oh no. Run. Ayoko na. Oh my god. Run. Oh my goodness guys. Ayoko na makakita ng ganun guys. Oh my goodness. Take a deep breath. Oh my god. Grabe yung guys Take a deep breath. Oh my goodness. That's so scary guys. I think my house is haunted. Oh my goodness. Oh no. I think I'm gonna report to the police guys. I'm gonna go to my car guys. Oh no. I need to go to my house. Hey, excuse me. Can you please leave my car? Please. Oh no guys. Kailangan ko punta sa may police station guys. I need to report this. Oh my god guys. Unfortunately guys, hindi tayo naka-report kasi guys, yung police station guys ay sarado guys. Oh my goodness. Anong gagawin ko? Oh my goodness. Anong gagawin ko guys? Oh my goodness. Help guys, I need some help. I think my house is haunted guys. Pero guys, we need to find the truth. This house behind. Then, let's see what is going on in the next video. Bye bye.